Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys know I'm always complaining. My computer is running slow. My computer sounds like it's on its last leg. My computer is overheating. This program crashed, that program crashed. We all crashed. I finally invested and bought myself a new computer. So in today's video, we are gonna do an unboxing of my brand new MacBook M5 2025 laptop. I'm gonna tell you guys some of the specs of this computer and also the features that I feel like I'm very much so going to enjoy as a content creator using this new Apple computer. Before we get started with this new video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. And don't forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your questions, with your opinions, whatever's on your mind after watching today's video. Leave it down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into the video, I wanted to give you guys details on today's look. So my hair is blow dried and then I just did a twist out. This is like day 4 or 5 hair. I just had it up in a scrunchie and I let it go, and this is what it looks like. I very much so love this look. It gives like voluminous, it gives like ooh, it gives my makeup, I did my current everyday makeup routine. My earrings are from Zara. They're these old like fish gold earrings, and my top is actually a romper from Skims. So that is details on today's look. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Out with the old and with the new, right? This is my previous computer. This is I believe a 2020 MacBook Pro. She still works, okay? She is not like in tip-top shape, but she was still getting the job done, okay? She was still helping your girl make her coin, her content, and all of that, but it was time for me to upgrade. I was like, we're about to step into the new year. I definitely have plans of elevating my content in ways that I have never done before. And I feel like the best way to do that efficiently was for me to invest in a new MacBook. So I still have Miss Mama's, my 2020 MacBook. We have so many great memories together, but I went ahead and upgraded her. So this, my loves, is my new MacBook M5 2025 computer. I have all of the accessories and everything with it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the specs of this laptop, and then I'll walk you guys through the accessories that I have attached to this computer and the features that I have been enjoying as a content creator. I've had this computer for about 2 weeks now, and you guys, so this computer is the MacBook 2025 14-inch MacBook Pro. I got it in the space black colorway, and this computer does have Apple's new M5 chip. The specs of the specific computer that I purchased is the 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 24 gigabyte unified memory, and 1 terabyte of SSD storage. This laptop has 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. It has an HDMI port, a head jack port, as well as a MagSafe 3 port. So honestly, you guys, the specs of the computer that I decided to get, I went into the Apple store when I was in Phoenix. If you guys watch my Phoenix vlog, you guys saw we went to the Apple store at the mall, and I spoke to a Apple tech and I explained, you know, what I'm using the computer for, edited long form content, and they suggested that these are the specs that I go with. So I went ahead and purchased her. This computer versus my old computer, girl. So as I mentioned, I've had this computer for 2 weeks already, so let me share my first impressions with you guys. The first thing that I wanted to say is that this new MacBook runs so much faster than my previous 2020 MacBook Pro. So since my 2020 MacBook Pro, I believe Apple had did the M4 chip, and now we're at the M5 chip. So I'm not a tech guru, okay? I'm not a tech guru at all. I'm just a girl, okay? I'm literally just a girl. But I will say that this computer runs way faster than my previous computer, and the main reason is because of the chip. Apple gave us this computer to be like, yeah, we run. I believe that the main reason that they upgraded the chip is like more for like gamers and streamers. But for me as a content creator, editing long form content, you guys know on the regular, my Sunday vlogs are 1 hour plus. I need the fastest speed possible so that I can work as efficiently and get this content out to you guys on a consistent, timely basis. Another thing that I noticed is that the battery life of this 2025 MacBook Pro, baby, my 2020 MacBook, I would just leave it on the charger because it did need a new battery. Okay, it does need a new battery. I'm still gonna give my baby some TLC, but the battery life was drained. It was drained. I've had the computer for 5 years. I use it literally almost every day. The computer needed a new battery and I didn't get it a new battery. So the fact that I have this computer with a brand new battery, it lasts long. Okay, I can sit here and edit 2 videos and then have to put it on the charger. I can sit on my computer from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and I'm good. Like the fact that I can use my laptop as a laptop and not have to have it plugged in for it to work or the battery isn't dying quickly, I absolutely really enjoy that. So as I mentioned earlier, this computer does have a MagSafe port and I believe it has 2 USB-C ports. Yeah, we got 2 USB-C ports and it also has a port where you can directly put the regular size memory card into the computer. Yes, Apple listened to us because my previous MacBook before the 2020, I feel like it had more ports. This 2021, I think it just had 2 USB-Cs and the headphone jack, but they gave us the ports back and I love that. We love a brand that listens and pays attention. But with that, we have 2 charging options. So you can either charge this computer using the USB-C charger, and honestly, if you have your electronics up to date, almost everything uses a USB-C charger now, so I love that we have this option. But also it has a MagSafe charger option. So I'm not sure if this is the same as the previous MacBook charger, but one of my previous MacBooks used a charger similar to this. So with this charger, your computer charges faster. So I'm most likely gonna use this charger most of the time, but I love the fact that we do have the option to use the USB-C because as you guys know, everything runs on USB-C at this point. These are some of my first impressions of using this computer for just about 2 weeks, but I want to get into some features that I really enjoy as a content creator on this 2025 MacBook Pro M5. So the first thing is Final Cut Pro. So I have Final Cut Pro on my 2020 MacBook. I had it on the MacBook before that. Once you pay the $300 for Final Cut Pro, I love that it follows you on every Apple device you get after that supports the app. So whether you get I think the iPads with the M4 chip and later, you can use Final Cut Pro on the iPad, and on the MacBook, you'll get the newest version of Final Cut Pro if you update your computer. So my previous MacBook, I had Final Cut Pro, I think version 10, and on this computer, I have Final Cut Pro version 11. Some of the features I wanted to use in Final Cut Pro were only available if I had version 11 of Final Cut Pro, which I didn't have on my previous computer. But now, baby, that Final Cut Pro transferred to the new computer and it's version 11. I cannot wait to go crazy with my edits, okay? Another feature that I really enjoy on this computer, and it was literally one of the first things that popped up when I opened this computer, was the iPhone mirroring feature. So what that is basically you can mirror the screen of your iPhone to your computer. So I have an iPhone 16 Pro. This is my girly girl. Okay, this is the main money maker. I'll go ahead and put a screen recording here, but you can basically mirror your phone to your computer and control your phone through your computer. So like, if my phone is over here charging, but I'm like, damn, I want to scroll, but the phone can't reach, I can mirror my phone to my computer and doom scroll from my computer. And not only that, but I think my favorite feature of the computer is, you know, sometimes you do stuff on your phone that you can only do on your phone and you're like, damn, I wish I could do this on my computer. Now I can do it on my computer. One of those is TikTok, editing TikToks on TikTok. So usually I'll edit my TikToks on Final Cut Pro and then airdrop it to my computer. But if it's like a simple edit situation or a simple, I'm just doing a quick little video, let me slap the audio on it and upload it situation, I can edit it on my computer and I can see TikTok on my... Girl, I edited a TikTok on my computer the other day in TikTok and I was like, oh, Apple really thought of it all. they really covered all of the bases. I absolutely love that. But those are some cool features that I feel like I would enjoy as a content creator using this new MacBook Pro 2025 so far. As I continue to play with the computer and discover more, I will definitely share more with you guys. So definitely be on the lookout for an updated video, because in this video, I'm more so just sharing my first impressions. I've only been using the computer for just about 2 weeks, so I haven't really fully explored it yet, but when I do, I cannot wait to use this computer to be as efficient as possible. Let's go ahead and skip to the fun part, the accessories. So I already knew once I ordered this, I'm like, she has to be pink. She has to be pink because it's only right. So I went ahead and ordered this pink case from Amazon. I will have everything linked down below, but this is a like flamingo pink. I think that's what the name of the color was. Case, it's so beautiful. It's kind of the same case as the one I've had on my previous MacBook Pro. I love these cases with like this trimming. It just grips the computer so well and it looks so nice. I was considering just doing clear, but I was like, no, let me go ahead and get pink. And that case did come with the keyboard cover. So I do have a pink keyboard cover, which I love. I love a keyboard cover because one thing about me, baby, is I'm gonna have crumbs on the keyboard. I'm gonna have crumbs, but I'm trying to be good and not eat next to her. But just in case there's a crumb or two, she's protected. And then I went ahead and also got this attachment. This is an attachment I wanted to get for a while because whenever I edit, I do edit off of my external hard drive, and I used to hate just having it on the table next to my computer. It just would be dragging all over the place and I would just be so scared because I'm like, whew, baby, one wrong move and she a goner. We don't have time for that. So I went ahead and got this sticky case from Amazon. It's basically a sleeve for your external hard drive, and it does stick onto your case with a 3M sticker. So I went ahead and just stuck her on there and slipped my external hard drive in. Baby, when I tell y'all this thing is tight, this thing is tight. It's giving a bodycon dress for my external hard drive, and I absolutely love that. She snatched her right on up, okay? And with this case, it also does have an external pocket. So if you want to store, I would say memory cards, but I would even trust that, girl. If you want to store like little things in here, you can, and it is skin tight. So I absolutely love this. And then I have my external hard drive. I do use the Western Digital external hard drive, 4 terabyte. That is my jam. I've been using this external hard drive my entire YouTube career. So since 2018, I've just been repurchasing. It has never gave me problems. So 10 out of 10 recommend. And then I have this attachment, which is the USB-C to extra port. So you can go ahead and put a USB-C in here. You can put the micro SD card and then the standard size SD card. So this piece was super important when I had my MacBook Pro 2020, because as I told you guys, Apple was like, we taking some of them ports away. But now the new computer has the port where I can directly put my SD card into the computer, but I feel like I will still use my little extension piece because I'm just so used to it. These are all of the accessories I got. Oh, also I wanted to say that on my case, it does have kickstands so that the computer can sit up on the desk. I really love that about this case. I had the same thing on my previous MacBook, but when the computer starts to overheat, you never want the fan to be like on a surface, like directly on a table or directly on your bed. You want it to have space so that it can go ahead and breathe. So whenever I get cases for my computer, I always make sure that they do have a kickstand. So I will go ahead and link all of these accessories in my Amazon storefront. I will make a separate collection called MacBook Pro M5 2025. I will have the computer link there. I will have the external hard drive, the computer case, the hard drive sleeve, and the little extension piece. This extension piece is also good if you have like a digital camera. I always get questions, how do I take my pictures off of my digital camera and put it like on my phone or on my computer? I use this little white extension piece for that too. So if you are looking for something to transfer your photos, you can do that with that extension piece as well. So these are all of my first impressions, cool features, and unboxing, and also a haul of my accessories for my new Apple MacBook Pro 2025 M5 chip. I'm super excited. Like, this was my early Christmas gift to myself, because in 2026, baby, we are upping it, and this is only the beginning. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found this video helpful. As I mentioned, it's just my first impressions, so I'll do a more detailed video as I, you know, navigate and learn the computer a little bit more. So I'll have that video up for you guys in a few months, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Comment and let me know, are you guys excited excited to see what we create with this new computer. Are you guys also on the market for a new MacBook computer? Comment down below and let me know. I love you guys so much, and if you made it until the end of this video, comment down below with pink hearts so I know who my girls and my boys who made it all the way until the end of this video are. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.